Okay, good morning. We're heading up to, just got here about 7:20. I'm running a little late, but on purpose. It's really cold this morning. And see if, I don't know if you can see my breath out there. And this year it's gonna be a little tough for me. I'm not feeling well. Not feeling well at all. I've been up the last 3 nights with a flu, I think, and I actually didn't go to work Thursday. It's feeling pretty rough, so I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Hope I finish. Different race this time. Instead of winning or trying to win or hold my own, I'm just gonna try to hopefully make it. So all right, let's go get this bike in the hole. Whew. She's ready to rock. I just had to, had it refreshed. Had a tune-up put on it, and feeling good. All right, let's go. Good morning. Got the bike put in place. Remember, that's an important key when you come to these things. Get your bike placed right off the bat. Definitely helps. So I'm nervous as hell. Not feeling well, but gotta stay positive. I can do this, and I promise I'm gonna try to get this video out sooner than a year later. Thanks for all your support, and let's do this. Good morning.
Morning.
A lot of people are starting to show up. Yeah, 7:20, and my race doesn't go till 8 o'clock, but they have a lot of races here. Have the biathlon, sprint, mini sprint, or super sprint or something. So there's a pool area. Finish line.
Here we are. Start for the 2025 Anthem Fly for the Kids. Swim, bike, run. Here he goes. Halfway through his first lap. Go, Big Daddy. Here he is. He's coming around to finish his first lap. Here he comes. Let's go. Let's go, John. Finishing his first lap. Getting out. Go get him, Big Daddy.
Go, Grandpa! Go, Grandpa!
Go, Grandpa! There he goes. Going for his second lap now. Okay. Here comes Big John.
Here he comes.
He's coming up, finishing his second lap. This is the last row. Let's go,
Come
John!
on, Grandpa!
Okay, let's go, Grandpa. Can you say?
Let's go, Grandpa!
Thumbs up, Brooks?
Woohoo!
Come on, Grandpa! Come on, Grandpa!
All right, here he goes.
Come on, Grandpa. 2 down, buddy. You got this.
Let's go.
Here we go. Now we're going for the bike. Go get him. Grandpa! Woohoo! Go, Grandpa! He's off on the bike. Woohoo!
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, go. Go. Grandma's filming you. Go, Brooks.
Go.
Good
Come
job.
on, Brooks.
Woo-hoo!
Grandpa.
Grandpa's cheer squad.
Yay. Come here, Brooks.
Brooks, are you Grandpa's cheer squad? Ring your bell, baby.
Go, Grandpa.
Ring your bell. Say, go, Grandpa.
Woo-hoo.
Grandpa's cheer squad. Woohoo! Go, Grandpa.
Go, Grandpa.
He's coming around the corner soon. Great job. Go, Grandpa.
Come on,
Go, Grandpa.
You got
Go,
it.
Grandpa. You got this. One down, baby. Oh.
Let's go. Let's go, Grandpa. Last thing. You got it.
Here they come. Brooks is doing his little race. Good job, Mommy and Brooks.
High five. Woo! Right here, he's right here. You got a runner. All right, let's go. Let's finish strong, Dad. You got it. Come on, Brooks, run. Come on. You got to finish. You got it.
You can do it, John.
Come on, Brooks. You got it, baby. Come on, let's go see him. Take your pinky out. It's easier to breathe. Okay, let's go. Come on, right here. Hold Mama. Let's go see him. Yeah, Grandpa. Go, Grandpa. Okay, let's go this way. Come on. Okay, let's go. Let's go see him. Good job. Big jump. Ooh. Okay, come over here. Come on. He's right there in the red. Keep going. Run to him. He's in the red. Holy smokes. Oh.
You had to get up so early.
Grandpa's cheer squad. Oh, go Brooks. Smile, dude.
Let's James.
Let's James. Oh, yeah.
Or in third place, wait time of 1 hour, 24 minutes and 5 seconds, John Schott.
Woo! Go Grandpa.
In second place, wait time of 1 hour, 22 minutes and 48 seconds, Jade Grove. And in first place, wait time of 1 hour, 13 minutes and 35 seconds, Anthony Haywood. Congratulations to 60 to 64, moving on to 65 to 69.
All right, Grandpa.
In third place, wait time of 1 hour, 18 minutes and 36 seconds, Larry Strack.
Grandma forgot her coffee cup, so she's got to go get it. Woohoo! All right, you guys, so I don't know how I did it. Still not feeling that well. I haven't had anything to eat. feel like a big old fatso, but I feel swollen and everything, but ended up pulling off a 3rd place with a 1:24. That wasn't a good time for me, but we'll just keep going. And I got my little cheerleaders right here.
Woohoo! Go Grandpa! Go Grandpa!
Wes James and Brooks Brady.
Give a high five. Oh yeah!
Oh yeah. All right. So this is Training with Johnny Schott, Grandpa Life, KP, and running for those who can. Whew.